It just takes a little bit of maneuvering to install any 8x10 photo in your Samsung Music frame. First, slide the mat board up, tilt out from the bottom, and pull straight out to remove it. Next, turn the mat over on its face and lift from the notch to remove the rear plate. Then it's as easy as inserting or replacing any 8x10 photo. Make sure your photo is secure under all 4 tabs. Now, reattach the rear plate, gently pushing in the 4 locking tabs. To reattach the mat and photo to the frame, align the 4 posts on the rear of the mat with the 4 holes in the frame. Start with the top 2 holes and tilt into place before inserting the bottom 2. Enjoy your custom piece of wall art positioned nicely inside the Samsung Music frame.